just got the shower and it feels soft, doesn't feel hard. Here I'm just checking the length of my hair. Currently here, I'm just parting my hair. I've already put the hydration cream conditioner into my hair. What I'm using here is a headband that I got from the Dollar Tree. I got 6 in a pack for $1. Here's another look of the conditioner and shampoo that I got from the Dollar Tree. I got these bobby pins from the Dollar Tree for $1.10. It's a pack of 72. I'm going to use some Eco Styler gel to give it that nice shiny look. Using my detangling brush to spread the gel throughout my hair. I'm going to add a little bit more moisturizer to the end of my hair because it felt dry. Can you guys see how curly my hair became with the Eco Styler gel and that Shampoo? All I'm doing here is flat twisting my hair. It's been a very long time since I've done this hairstyle, so I'm a little rusty on it. The reason why I really don't like doing this hairstyle is because it pulls the ends of my hair. So if you do this hairstyle, please be careful on the amount of time that you wear it. As you see here, I put way too much conditioner on my hair and now it's turning white and it's getting cloggy. Good thing that isn't a big problem. All you have to do is add a little water to it and it goes away. So in this video, I'm not going to really worry about it. Right now, I'm going to add these bobby pins in just to hold my hair in place. Alright, I'm going to add just a little of Eco Styler gel to the front of my hair just to keep it flat. I do like to scratch these scrunchies out before I use them because they're extremely tight and they will hurt your head. So after I get done scratching it, I'm going to put it from the back of my head to the front. I'm going to cross it over and I'm going to bang it back around over the bobby pins, and I'm going to remove some of the bobby pins. I'm going to leave mine twisted twice, but I do advise you guys not to do it because it really does hurt. By the time I left the house, I did undo it.